Taliban are present all over the valley.
Security forces.
The threat that we face is ID attack.
We are silent spectators.
This peace and tranquility was once the hallmark of Swat, popularly known as the Switzerland of Pakistan. But not anymore. As we moved in Swat, it seemed as if the Taliban are seeking to erase the very history that preceded them. In addition to targeting a number of girls' schools, the Taliban have destroyed historical Buddha statues in Swat.
This rock carving of Buddha in Jehanabad dates back to about 7th or 8th century according to the historians. It has met a fate similar to the Bamiyan statues in Afghanistan. Its face has been defaced by the Taliban militants. We are told not to go beyond this point because there are still some Taliban militants in these mountains, and on the mountain across this are the security forces, and there's frequent exchange of fire between the two. What we are told is that we cannot go in near this Buddha now because if we try to go there, we might be taken as hostage.
For generations, Haji Bakhtarwan Khan's family has been living in Jehanabad. But, like other locals of the area, he is too afraid to openly accuse the Taliban of targeting the Buddha's statue.
अभी जो है ना ये इसका मुजस्सिमा जो है ना अभी किसी ने जो उड़ाया है और कोई बम भी रखा हुआ है, इसी वजह से जो है ना उसका थोड़ा मुजस्सिमा थोड़ा खराब हुआ है.
The Buddha in Jehanabad is not the only one which has become a victim of the increasing wave of Talibanization, which is now sweeping Swat. In Galgai village, there are more scenes of destruction.
This meditative Buddha lies in Galgai village on the left side of this road leading to Peshawar. मंसूर, ये बताएंगे कितना पुराना बुद्धा स्टैचू है?
ये तकरीबन 3000 साल पुराना है.
और इसमें ये कुछ नजर आ रहा है कि डैमेज हुआ है.
हाँ.
ये पहले पूरा था यहाँ पे?
ये पहले बिल्कुल सही था और जैसे ये नीचे जो ना वो बना हुआ है तो लोग जो भी आता था जो ना इसको तोड़ता था, कोई किसी ने फायरिंग से, कभी किसी ने हथौड़े से.
Well, this damage to the arm of this Buddha is very much apparent, and historians who have researched on this say that it has been destroyed by some ignorant people.
I climbed about 60 steps to reach this site, which the historians say is Khaligai 2, and which had a group of rock reliefs.
There are still some signs of these carvings where these statues used to be, but now they are totally defaced and only these rocks remain here. यहाँ पे कोई थे बुद्धा के स्टैचूज?
हाँ, यहाँ पे एक स्टैचूज यहाँ पे था, इस साइड पर भी थे, लेकिन अभी वो खत्म हो गए, बर्बाद हो गए.
The disappearance of these rock reliefs is attributed to the rise of Tehreek-e-Nifaz-e-Shariat Mohammadi in Div and Swat during the last few years. Hundreds of years old Buddhist civilization is not the only casualty of the rise of militancy in Swat. As I climbed this mountain in Udigaram, I saw more signs of neglect. The oldest mosque in northern Pakistan, built by Mahmud Ghaznavi during his conquest of Swat in 1048 AD, has not seen a local or foreign visitor since militants established their base in this tourist resort.
This mosque was built by Mahmud Ghaznavi, and Rahim Zeib is a protector of this site. Rahim Zeib, आप यहाँ कितने अरसे से हैं यहाँ पे आप?
तो दलता नसूना वक्त दलता की काम
14 साल से आप रखवाले कर रहे हैं यहाँ का। हुकूमत ने तनख्वाह आपको कितना देता है तनख्वाह?
तनख्वाह सुनगा कर कहीं
4,500
कितने अरसे से तनख्वाह नहीं मिला आपको?
1 महीने हो गया।
Well, Rahim Zeib's story is typical of the neglect taking place in Sawat, where the government has failed to live up to its responsibilities.